Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And with so many mile highs going on up in the stratosphere, I'm talking about unidentified flying objects. It would be a thing of great national security and shareholder beauty if a huge district-scale discovery of helium was made. Think about it. Now, that's what Helium 1 are exploring for, and although the chief executive who set the foundations has gone this month, it's an insider, the company geologist Lorna Blassie, who has taken up the reins. Now, previous chief executive David Minchin says he's disappointed not to be the one delivering the 2023 drilling campaign. And that's the words of someone who thinks that campaign will deliver. So, as I record this, it is Valentine's Day, and let's see which shareholders should be feeling loved up. Well, it seems as though many of them should, because the FTSE 100 is reaching new highs and knocking on the threshold of the psychologically important number of 8,000. Well, travel-related companies are getting a boost from broker upgrades. Most of us are jetting off with our paramours or otherwise, and we see gains in Easyjet and TUI. Richard Hunter, head of markets at Interactive Investor, talking about TUI, saying now it's about convincing investors that the recovery is becoming entrenched and sustainable. And a potential transatlantic courtship also helping to lift the share price of Vodafone after Nasdaq-listed Liberty Global took an almost 5% stake in the UK-listed company. And where Vodafone goes, BT normally follows in terms of share price increases. So will there be a big merger love-in on the horizon? And if you don't know who Liberty Global is, well, in partnership with Telefonica, it owns Vodafone rival Virgin Media O2. It also has investments in companies such as broadcaster ITV and the Formula E racing series. Well, on Valentine's Day, shares in Fulcrum Metals started trading on the AIM market. Now, the company wants to capitalise on the potential of its multi-commodity portfolio of base, precious and energy metals in Canada. Ryan Mee is the Chief Executive Officer, and he is now firmly on my radar, particularly as there are already some pretty strong accolades about him swirling around on social media, and they are indeed worth investigating. And I note that the company's contact address is Paramount Court. Now, if it had been Paramour Court, that would have been such an amazing segue to my Cheerio. And that's it for this week. Hope you're having a wonderful week. I'll see you same time next week.